Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best kitchen chimney brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best kitchen chimney, Elica, Faber, Glen, and Hindware, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting with chimney size, all brands, Elica, Faber, Glen, and Hindware, offer 90 cm models, making them ideal for 2 to 5 burner stoves and ensuring proper smoke absorption. Now, let's talk about chimney type. Each brand provides a wall-mounted chimney, which is perfect for modular kitchens, offering a space-saving design and efficient smoke removal. Moving on to suction power, Hindware leads with 1500 cubic meters per hour, followed by Elica 1350 cubic meters per hour, Faber 1300 cubic meters per hour, and Glen 1200 cubic meters per hour. Higher suction is beneficial for heavy frying and grilling. Next, let's consider the filter type. All models are filterless, meaning they don't require frequent filter cleaning and offer uninterrupted suction power, making maintenance easier. Now, looking at the duct system, all brands use a ducted design, ensuring smoke and odor are vented outside, which is ideal for Indian kitchens. Moving on to Autoclean technology, every brand comes with Autoclean, making maintenance effortless by collecting oil and grease in a dedicated tray. Checking the oil collector tray, all chimneys include this feature, helping to trap grease and enhance efficiency, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Next up is the carbon filter. Faber and Glen include a carbon filter, which is helpful for odor removal, while Elica and Hindware lack this feature, making them more suitable for kitchens with external ducting. Now, let's discuss brand origin. If you prefer international brands, Elica and Faber are from Italy, while Glen and Hindware are Indian brands, supporting local manufacturing. Moving forward to heat sensors, Elica and Faber offer heat sensors that automatically adjust fan speed when excess heat is detected, while Glen and Hindware do not include this feature. Now, let's analyze noise levels. Hindware is the quietest at 54 dB, followed by Faber 55 dB, Glen 56 dB, and Elica 58 dB. Lower noise levels ensure a peaceful cooking environment. Next, let's check airflow speed levels. All brands provide 3 speed levels, allowing users to control suction power based on cooking needs. Looking at detachable filters, none of these brands offer them. However, their filterless technology minimizes the need for frequent maintenance. Now, considering control type, Elica and Hindware come with touch plus motion sensor controls, while Faber and Glen feature touch plus gesture controls, allowing hands-free operation with a simple wave. Moving forward to smart connectivity, none of the brands provide Wi-Fi or smart app integration, limiting remote operation. Now, let's check auto shutoff. All brands come with auto shutoff, ensuring energy efficiency and safety. Next, let's look at build quality. Elica and Faber offer excellent build quality, while Glen and Hindware are rated as good, affecting durability. Moving on to after-sales service, Elica provides excellent support, Faber and Glen offer good service, whereas Hindware is rated average, which may impact customer satisfaction. Now, let's analyze Amazon ratings. Faber has the highest rating, 4.6 star, followed by Elica, 4.5 star, Glen, 4.1 star, and Hindware, 4 star. Higher ratings generally reflect better performance and reliability. Looking at warranty coverage, Faber offers the best warranty, 2 years plus 12 years on the motor, followed by Elica, 1 year plus 15 years on the motor, Hindware, 2 years plus 10 years on the motor, and Glen, 1 year plus 7 years on the motor. A longer motor warranty ensures peace of mind. Finally, considering integrated customer rating, Elica and Faber lead with 4.5 star, followed by Glen, 4.3 star, while Hindware is the lowest at 4 star, summarizing overall user satisfaction.
Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel. The data comes from official sources, trusted purchases, and real customer reviews and ratings. If you buy the product online using our link, please check the product details on the seller's website before purchasing. Make sure to verify what accessories or items are included in the delivery box. After receiving the product, check everything carefully. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click. It's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.